Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool dinosaur or T-Rex inflatable T-Rex Christmas dinosaur that I really like because it is kind of cute. Just it's kind of like sitting on a pile of gifts over here. It's actually biting a president over here. President, no, present, not president. But the good thing about this one is it's pretty stable as it is. I have to say that it's kind of heavy on the bottom part, and it's 7 feet tall. I'm 5'10", and you can see that this one surpassed me for like a ton. So it's 7 feet tall. But if you want to kind of like secure it to the ground a little bit, it comes with the stakes, plastic stakes, and a rope over here. And right here, you're gonna find kind of like some sort of a strap that you can actually strap, that you can actually put the rope and secure it to the ground a little bit on the side. So that's actually kind of cool that comes with that. It is super easy to use. It comes with a power cable. You connect it to the power source, and it has a fan that's going to be taking all the vacuuming, actually all the air all the time, so you can put it on a timer at night because it comes with LED lights. So it's kind of like actually super cool. But let's actually take a look at night with the lights. Well, take a look at this guy over here. Looks super nice, right? With all the LED lights, and of course you can actually see it better at night. And you have the scales over here, you have the long tail, you have the tiny arms. I still don't know if it is like a T-Rex or a crocodile. I have no idea what it is, but it looks super nice. So it could be a really nice decoration for your kids to have in the entrance of your house, in your patio, indoors as well if you like it. But of course, what I like about this one is going to keep inflating all the time, and you can use the ropes and the stake to actually kind of like secure a little bit more to the ground. So I think this one is a nice one. It looks really cute, it looks really nice, and of course you can take some really nice photos riding it if you want as well. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.